right, are we ready to do kid writing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I need some help. Before I do my journal, I need some help thinking of things I could write about or draw about. So can somebody help me brainstorm some ideas? What could I write about?
A jet.
A jet? Why a jet?
Because I can learn J.
Because we're talking about the letter J, so I can write about a J. Where do I have a jet? Yesenia?
You play at home.
Me playing at home. Anaya?
We're at the carnival.
Me going to a carnival. Have you ever been to a carnival?
Yes.
So you know things about a carnival? Okay. Enzo?
You play outside with the dog.
Oh, good. I do have the dog, so I can write about that. I'll take 2 more ideas. Sanaya?
You walking your dog outside.
That's a good one. Michael?
We're having a party.
Me having a party. Oh, a pizza party. I'm going to save that one. All right, so are we ready for me to draw my picture?
Yes.
All right, we're going to watch quietly. All right. No guesses. Wait till I'm all done. I think I'm done. Anybody think they know what I drew about? What did I draw about?
The zoo.
The zoo? What animal did I draw about?
A giraffe.
Not a giraffe. Close. Amori? How did you know it was a zebra?
The lion.
I drew stripes. What do zebras have?
Lion. Black and white one.
Black and white. Do we call them lines or do we call them something else?
Zigzags.
Zigzags, or I like to call them stripes.
Yes.
Stripes.
Yeah, those are stripes.
So I picked to write about zebras because we're going to the zoo, and I know something about zebras. I know that they have stripes. All right, so I'm going to write my sentence. So let's see. I'm going to write, what could I write? Should I write, I'm eating pizza?
No.
Should I write, I see a monkey?
No.
No. Does my text have to match my illustration?
Yes.
It does. So I need to make sure whatever I'm going to write about matches this picture. Put your hands down. I'm going to come up with it. I'm going to think about it. And as I write, I'm going to stretch out all my words and make sure I sound out at least the beginning sound, okay? And Alyssa, if I come to a sight word that I forget, where should I look?
The word wall.
I need to remember I need to look at the word wall. So I'm going to write, at the zoo, I see a zebra. All right? At. Can you help me sound out? At. All right. At the zoo. What does zoo start with? What does zoo start with? Help me sound out. At the zoo, I. Should I write it like that?
No. Up to yes.
Why can't I write it like that? That's an I.
Okay.
Do we write eyes like this when we talk about it in a word?
No.
No, we write it this. At the zoo, I see. Ooh.
S-E-E.
See a zebra. Oh, what does it start with? Z. Enzo, what are you pointing to?
Zebra. Right here.
How do you know it's on that?
Z-E. Because it talks about it.
Is this our zoo words?
Yes.
All right, so let me see. I see the word zebra. Can you spell it for me?
Z-E.
Z-E-B-R-A. At the zoo, I see a zebra. How many zebras do I see though? 2. So I need to make this plural. I need zebras. All right. Can I add one more sentence?
Yeah.
What do I know about zebras?
They have
Michael, what do I know about zebras?
They run super fast.
They run fast? What else might I know about zebras?
You know that they actually really.
I already wrote that. So I like Michael's. Should I write they run fast? All right, they. I'm going to write they run. How many sound are run? Run. They run fast. T.
That means that's T.
Yes, that's. So what have you done in my sentence?
All
All right, let's go back and make sure this makes sense. At the zoo, I see a zebra. Oh, I made a mistake. At the zoo, I see a zebras? That sounds silly. At the zoo, I see zebras. So I'm just going to cross this out. Couldn't talk about more than one. Does that make more sense? At the zoo, I see zebras.
Yeah.
That makes more
You
sense.
can put it with you.
And then let's see what this says. They run fast. That makes sense?
We forgot to read.
Does my text match my illustration?
Yes.
Did I try to sound out all my words?
Yes.
Yes, I did. All right. Now it's your turn. Can everybody now close your eyes? Think in your head what's something you know about or want to draw about. All right, open your eyes. Anybody want to share?
Pony.
You know something about ponies? What do you know about ponies?
Pony had a ding.
Oh, a horn? So it might be like a unicorn pony? You could write about that. Ariel, go ahead.
Ben 10.
Ben 10, you know about and you could draw?
A jet.
A jet. Oh, you're going to draw about what you were telling me about? And Sanaya?
A doll.
A doll? All right, you can write about that. Now remember when you write, are you going to draw your picture first?
Yes.
Yes. And then we will come around and help you do your kid writing. So quietly, table number 1, tip back to your seat.